Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, can bring a lot of changes to the body, and hair growth is often one of them. However, hair removal doesn't have to be a hassle during HRT. In this video, we'll explore the best practices for hair removal during hormone replacement therapy, and how to achieve optimal results with minimal pain and irritation. Before starting HRT, it's important to consult with your doctor and assess your current hair growth. HRT can cause changes in hair growth patterns, and it's important to be aware of these changes before starting treatment. During HRT, it's best to opt for less invasive hair removal methods, such as shaving, trimming, and using depilatory creams. These methods are quick and easy, and they don't require any special equipment or training. However, they do have some downsides. Shaving can cause irritation and ingrown hairs, and depilatory creams can have a strong odor and can be harsh on the skin. If you're looking for a more effective and gentle solution for hair removal during HRT, we recommend trying the full body and face hair removal spray from KetchBeauty. This spray is gentle enough to use anywhere on your body and is enriched with plant extracts that nourish and keep your skin healthy. It can remove hair in as little as 8 minutes and reduce and slow down hair thickness over time. Additionally, if you want to slow down hair growth, you may want to try the Body and Face Hair Growth Inhibitor Cream from KetchBeauty. This cream is formulated with herbal extracts, hyaluronic acid, and glycerol stearate that have humectant and emollient properties that keep your skin moist and hydrated at all times. Another great option for long-term hair reduction is the KetchBeauty upgraded V4.1 multifunction IPL handset. This device can provide similar results as professional laser hair removal treatments, but at a fraction of the cost and in the privacy of your own home. It has a lifetime warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee, making it safe and a risk-free investment. With 700,000 pulses or flashes, it can be used on any body part and has been proven to be effective for 96% of customers. After HRT, it's important to assess new hair growth patterns and consider long-term hair removal options. Laser hair removal and electrolysis are two options that can provide long-term hair reduction. However, these methods can be costly and may not be covered by insurance. It's important to continue to work with a professional who is knowledgeable and sensitive to the needs of transgender women. In conclusion, with a little planning and preparation, hair removal during hormone replacement therapy can be manageable and successful. It's important to consult with your doctor and be aware of any changes in hair growth patterns, opting for less invasive hair removal methods, and using products like the Full Body and Face Hair Removal Spray, Body and Face Hair Growth Inhibitor Cream, and upgraded V4.1 multifunction IPL handset from KetchBeauty can make the process more comfortable, effective, and gentle. Remember to also take care of your skin regularly to maintain its health and appearance. Visit KetchBeauty.com now to purchase the Full Body and Face Hair Removal Spray, Body and Face Hair Growth Inhibitor Cream, and other hair removal solutions that can help you achieve hairless skin before, during, and after your transition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on hair removal and transitioning. Good luck!